Schools should strictly enforce uniform.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Ines Putri. Here I am as the representative from Group 7 in A. And I am as the moderator. So here I am with my friend of mine, 5 as the pro side and the other is counter side. And we would like to present our debate contest for our midterm assignment under the title Schools Should Strictly Enforce Uniforms. So without any further ado, let's get it started.
Okay. Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Sri Sukmani Tisari, and I'm from Group 7, and here I am as the pro side. So first, in Indonesia, every student from elementary to high school must wear school uniforms. Each level of education has different uniforms. It can be seen from the color. By wearing school uniforms, students will look more formal and student social status will be equal. The most part, I say that school uniforms are important aspect and must be established in schools.
Good morning, my name is Puspita Ayu. I am from Group 8. Here I am as the contra side. Our focus is not on uniforms, but on increased students' ability to absorb educational materials. I guess it had to be his spirit, not his uniform.
Hello, my name is Rizky Faradila and I'm from Group 7. I am as the group pro side. School uniforms do not eliminate individuality. Students have fun participating in the occasional spirit or free dress day. However, these days are not the focus for the kids. The character of the individual student is the focus. Students shine because of who they are, not how they look.
On the side, uniform function is also reversed in progress. The clothes were meant to obscure social status, but the exact opposite was true. In many cases, the presence of school uniforms is actually somewhat distinguished. School uniform then became the social identity of the school student.
In my opinion, the uniform makes everything one color as an identity, as a differentiator. In this case, differentiating school levels like elementary school, middle school, and high school. There are even more some colleges that require uniforms too. There is no difference between the capable and the less, and and all the same wearing uniform that conforms to school rules and policies. Students are not bothered with thoughts of what colors are you going to wear today. Outside of school, people can identify with certainty the species of learners wearing a uniform with attributes according to the rules and neatly teaches students discipline.
Hello, my name is Eva Duyanti. Here I am from Group 8 as the contra side. A school uniform strongly affects students. According to the student right of individually being violated, student cannot express to the student creativity while school is a place where students create character traits.
Hello, my name is Aulia Rafa. I'm from Group 7. Here I am as the pro side. By implementing school uniform rules, can increase discipline towards students, where our student will be trained to be disciplined by following the rules. This is very useful for the future of students.
In my opinion, applying firm's rule in a uniform does not affect the learning of teaching. If one is distracted from education because of the clothes they wear, then they are unwise and will learn nothing.
My name is Ikanovia Puspita. I'm from Pro site. With uniforms, children can also learn about routines for early age children. Uniforms can be a means of knowing their day. Believe me, routines are good for children because their way of thinking is still not structured. With routines, they practice making plans and self-regulating. This is the mark of maturity to think.
Thank you. My name is Pujai Wardani. I am the group 8 from countryside. A uniform is a garment, not a discipline easily controlled. Social inequality comes not from uniformly consequence, but from what is done. What choices are made, because the uniform is essentially the same type as the other clothing, is only different in shape and color.
Hello, my name is Sri Magdalena from Group 7 and as a pro-site. Uniform can become an identity with school. It teaches students discipline from an early age to clothe neatly. There is no difference in social status between one student and another. Many schools agree that uniform can remove economic barriers, build feeling of community, and reduce instances of bullying. In addition, school uniforms are most observable. If it was said earlier that school uniforms they are considered expensive and will burn parents, precisely with school uniform it will make it easier for parents because they no longer provide new clothes. They are appropriate for their children's school, which each child certainly doesn't only have one set of clothes.
Pro-side opinion, but in the other hand, some people believe uniforms take away the ability to use clothing as means of expressing support of social causes. Allowing students to choose their clothing is an empowering message from the school that a student is a maturing person who is entitled to the most basic self-determination.
Okay, those are our opinions from pro and contra. So we over to our moderator, Sasa.
So, in conclusion, while all things in the world have a positive side and a negative side, are not exempt from uniform wear or absence. School uniform are still important to students. Students will learn about discipline and focus on the lesson. However, to cover the storage of school uniform excessive spending, there are some tips to get it done. First, students are allowed accessories during moderation, and the last one is uniformity of only two kinds. Thank you. And finally, from group 7 and 8, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.